What's up, everyone? Hey, I'm gonna repost the video, the intro video for the big rig build. It's come to my attention. There's might be a little confusion, but if you read the video and read the rules of the video or the build, it has to be a Class 8 tractor, which is a tractor with 3 axles, 2 drive axles, 1 steer axle. So 3 axles total, 10 tires total. Capable of hauling over 26,000 pounds. Been seeing a couple people with single axle tractors. That's what I'm trying to stay away with. I've driven straight trucks before, but they were 3 axles. Basically, this build is after what I've driven, the bigger tractors. So the ones that have posted a single axle tractor, I will email you, let you know that's not the correct tractor that needs to be for the build. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that is in the video that Kenny made with the rules of the build. 3 axles, 10 tires. So sorry to be the guy with the bad news, but I want to keep it fair for everyone. The only person I know that's not building a 3-axle tractor is Tom Scale Garage. He is from Norway. He has a Euro truck. They have single axles, and they also haul more weight than our tractors do. But he is also building a trailer with his build, so I okayed that just because that's what he drove. So that I can allow. So sorry for it, but I'll post the video with the rules on it again. Be right after this. All right. Have a good night, guys.